Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel and in this video we are going to learn about the point command. Now it may sound crazy, like really we are going to learn about how to place the points in the graphics window or in the sketching environment. Like if like the question may arise because someone can say like I'm an expert in the SolidWorks and I know how to use the SolidWorks. Why should I focus on how to place a point in sketching? Well, that's the reason I'm here. We are going to have the points in the sketching environment with the most amazing tricks. Now let's directly go to the point. And wherever you click, you are going to place the point. Now someone can say what's new in that. I already know that, like how to place the point in the sketching environment. But now comes the twist. The twist in this part is regarding the hold the control key. Like whenever you are going to use the point command, always remember, hold the control key for defining the relations. Now, what is meant by holding the control key? Let me tell you about this. Now, if I want this point to be get inlined, horizontally aligned with this point. Now for that, you have to just select this point, hold the control key named as CTRL on keyboard, just hold it and select this point. Now here comes certain relations which are possible among them, and first one is make coincide. Make coincide means this will directly jump to this and it will get coincide with that. The other relation is regarding the horizontal alignment, like it will come in the horizontal alignment. The next one is the vertical, like here. And while holding the control key, you will get the options here in the graphics window or you will get in the property manager like here. So this is all up to you that from where you would like to define the relations. So I'm going to define the relation from properties. Now just go to horizontal. Now you can see this is the horizontal alignment. Now do the practice for this with this point and make it vertical aligned. Just select this point, hold the control key, select this point, and from here I will make it vertical. So this is some advancement regarding the point. That's why I have mentioned whenever you use the point, hold the control key. This is the trick regarding using the point because you have to define the several relations while using the point command. Now let's come to the line, and I'm going to place the lines like this. Now, if I say I need the intersection point of these two lines, for that, what user can do? So for that, you just have to go to the point and I'm going to place the point here. Now you can see this is the coincident relation and this is the coincident relation between the point and this line. Now you have to just simply select this, just hold the control key and select this line and just go to the coincident relation. So here you can see, here comes the line appear here and this will give the intersection point. Now the question may arise that we need the intersection between these two lines and here the line has shifted. Why? Because this line is not constrained. So I'm just going to put some dimension here like this and give some dimension. Okay, now just again do the same thing, just select this point and select this line and just make it coincide. So you can see now again, see what's the difference here? This line has shifted to this. Now let's give some angle here. I am intentionally showing these kinds of error. Why so? Because these are some common issues which the user can face. Okay, so in order to give the relations, like you can see here, in order to give the relations, your sketch must be defined so that you could give the relations in the way you want. Okay, so please do take care of this, otherwise the sketch will get disturbed. So I'm just going to make it coincide. Now again you can see this is getting shifted again, so I'm going to define the angle here as 45, and I'm going to give some dimension from this point to this point like this, 123. I believe that this is enough. This is going to be as 85. Now I want this point to be get coincide with this, and let's see what will happen. Now it is getting moved again, so I'm going to just give some more dimensions like this, horizontal dimension as 52 and this dimension as 120 and this dimension as 160. Now you can see all the lines are blacked out. Why so? Because these lines are fully defined. So whenever you are going to give the relation, make sure the sketches are fully defined. So I'm going to just give the coincide relation for now, and here travels my point. So these are some of the advancements which you can use regarding the point. Otherwise, the sketch or the entire curves are going to be get disturbed. So you have to take care of this, and you have to be more focused while using these sketches along with the relations. Otherwise, there would be a disturbance of the sketch and you won't find the issue, like what is the issue with the sketching. Now, let's try some more example on the point. Suppose if here is a circle, and if I just go to a line, and this line is like this, press escape, again choose the line, and this line is from like this. Now the very first thing, how to give the relation. To give the relation, you have to just select the first entity. First entity means first curve, first anything, like first circle. The selection should be first. So the first thing has been selected. Now hold the control key. Now select the second entity, and here comes the possible relation. The possible relation is make tangent. So I'm going to make it tangent over here, and I will place a point like this here. Now, the tricky part is that I need this point to be at the intersection of this. So I'm going to select this, press the control key and hold it. Along with that, I'm going to select this circle. Now here comes the relations. So I'm going to make it coincide, like my coincident. So you can see this has been shifted to this. Now do the exercise for this part. For this you have to just go to the point, and this time I'm going to place the point on the circle. Now just select this and then hold the control key, select this and just go to the make coincide. So there would be two possibilities, like line could be moved from here to here, or the point would have moved from here to here. Comment down the reason, like why this has happened, and you have to take the reference from this, like I have already told why this happens. So comment down below and I'll pin the right answer so that you would get motivated to comment in the comment section. So this is all regarding the point, how to use the point, how to have the advancement in the point, how to give the relation in the point, how to make the sketch fully defined, and how the possibilities could arise if the sketch is not defined. So I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the point command. This is all in this point command. Please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.